Welcome back. Today I'm just outside of Rivington. I've got my gear on my back. Let's roll the titles. Right, I managed to get down to the water's edge. I didn't fall, which is a surprise really, because it's so slippy and it's a bit sketchy really, but you've got to deal with it and you get down and suck it up. Right, yeah, as I was saying, down to the water's edge, I've dipped the tripod in the water, stay deep at the edge, and it goes straight over my wellies, without a doubt, so I'm not even attempting to go in. But I've managed to get a composition. It did take a little bit of time to get one, just because of the access really. Let's spin you around and let's have a look. There we go, I'm shooting upstream, focused on this rock here. There's a piece of wood on it, part of a tree. Focusing on that, getting the small waterfall in front, and just slightly get the main fall in as well with the autumn colours. Yeah, I've done vertical and horizontal crop. I'm not sure which is going to be the best. I think the vertical one really, to be fair. All I've got on is polarised just to get that slight glare off the water. Even though it is flat light, it's 100% cloud. But let's have a look at that. I think it's quite nice. Well, as you can see, I've made it down to the first part. The banking is absolutely saturated. It really is. It's sucking me while it's in. Near falling, but I managed to stay upright, just about. But as I've got here, there's virtually no access into the water really. Like I said, it's deep, but I'm not risking it. There is a couple of compositions I've took already. I've got those in the bag. Sit into it ones really, that's all I can do. This tree's in the way here, that one there. I can't move that. I'm not Jeff Capes, if you don't know who he is, googling. But yeah, I've got a couple of intimate shots. One the camera is here, next to the tree there. There's a group of mushrooms, brown ones. I'm not got a clue what they are, but I've managed to get those. And one of the actual weir itself, or weir waterfall. Into the shots, but I'm happy with them. Let's have a look at those now. Yeah, as I was saying before, the access, it's really high. I reckon it's about 8 foot up I am here on the banking. So I reckon next time, definitely, go a bit further downstream, then cross and work my way back. I reckon you can get down that end, there's a lower end where the water is. You can get down there and get a decent shot, I think. So I'll take a few shots and let's have a look at those. Walking back to the car, I've come a slightly different way from the way I came, but I'm getting these small falls. They're absolutely stunning. But still, can't get in the water, not at all, but it's just, again, intimate shots, which I'm quite liking. And I've got swirl shots as well. Love my swirl shots. Let's have a look. I've not got exactly what I wanted today, but there is a lot of potential here, especially when the water's a bit lower down. But yeah, definitely coming back here. I will return for some more, hopefully better shots, really. Don't forget, if you like what you've seen, give us a like, and if you want to see more like this, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.